The crows want to harass him. The osprey, we just missed him taking a dive and trying to catch a fish, and he missed it. So just went down there and says, oh, you know what? I need a swim. I need to go take a bath. So here we are, watching this guy doing little splishes and splashing. That's pretty cool. This is in San Juan Creek, ladies and gentlemen, and Gary and I are on our bikes, just on our way back, and waiting for him, about ready to take off. He's got to get really clean, I guess. Wow. So, let's see. It's like he's going to be so wet, he's going to have a tough time getting airborne. Oops. Come on, baby. Time to take off. Okay, come on. There we go. Come on back for another pass. Coming right at us. Cool. Yeah, baby. Whoa. Got that crow right on his ass.